Okay, hi, I'm Samar Changaneria, and here is my explanation for the fifth question of the Aeromodelling Club convener assignment. First, we'll talk about BLDC. So, BLDC is a brushless DC motor. When it comes to a brushed DC motor, the rotation is achieved by controlling the magnetic fields generated by the coils on the rotor, while the magnetic field generated by the stationary magnets remains fixed. So, to change the rotation speed, we can just change the voltage and our job will be done. But when it comes to a BLDC motor, it is actually the permanent magnet that rotates. So, it is achieved by changing direction of magnetic fields generated by the surrounding stationary coils. Now, why we use brushless DC motor? The main reason is it reduces weight, and weight is uh, primary thing to keep in mind by making an RCP. So that's why we use BLDC. So now let's come to its connections. So it has three wires which connect to the electronic speed controller, also known as ESC, in random order. And if you are having the opposite rotation to as what we desire, we can just exchange any two wires. It has also higher efficiency due to the use of permanent magnet rotor. Now let's come to the ESC, which is the electronic speed controller. So ESC is connected directly to the LiPo battery for power. LiPo is lithium polymer battery, which is most generally used while we are dealing with RC planes. There are also three wires coming from ESC, which directly are connected to the BLDC. Uh, it uh, it is used to control the speed of BLDC. It is also connected to the receiver to get the signal from transmitter. Now let's come to servo motors. So servo motors basically are just a type of motors in which you can control the rotation angle specifically. So it is very useful in our scenario because it helps us to rotate object with some specific angles. The servos are directly connected to the receiver for the required signal, and the aileron servos must be placed such that they are mirror images to each other. Now, let us come to the Pixar flight controller. So, Pixar flight controller is nothing but a microcontroller, we can say. Now, we generally code on Arduino if you are making some small project or something. Now, what exactly Spexhawk is like? It is designed for planes, drones, etc. So it is, we can say, a bit advanced microcontroller because it has many of the functions that uh, we actually need not code. So there are many predefined functions. We can use Spexhawk. We can code actually using Mission Planner. Yeah. So here's Mission Planner. uh, we can change the setup. Here we can install the firmware of whatever we want, like plane, drones, helicopters, etc. We can configure it. Here we can see all the data once it's configured. Then we can, uh, here's the full parameter list. So we actually can see it when we are connected to the Pixel. So here all the functions come which you can actually change while you are dealing with programming of whatever you need to make. So it is very useful for projects like this. That's all from my side. Thank you.